Idol, anong best workout to stimulate muscle? Birahan nyo marinig to. Pero usually pag may injury tayo, may matanda na tayo, doon natin maririnig to. Time under tension, mga static hold. Wall sit, 1 minute to 5 minutes. Pag malakas na kayo, may weights. Hindi kayo gumagalaw, hino-hold nyo lang, nagko-contract yung muscle. Hindi nabubugbog yung joints kasi hindi tayo gumagalaw, hino-hold lang natin. Start, yun, ginigising yung muscle. Yun, pwedeng ganun, static holds or time under tension. Pag magbubuhat tayo, mga 15 reps, kailangan hindi bababa ng 45 seconds yung buong exercise. Kunwari, dumbbell press, 45 seconds, up, down, stretch, squeeze, ganun, or lat pull down, up, down. Mahina 45 seconds, okay na yung 2 minutes. Talaga nasi-stimulate yung muscle. Hindi nila alam yung weights. Alam nila, mind-muscle connection, contract, squeeze, stretch. Try nyo, time under tension. Bitawan nyo yung ego. Tignan nyo, mas maganda katawan nyo ngayon. Tama kayo, mali ako. I'm not your doctor. Do what works for you guys. Happy, healthy.